Football is the most popular and exciting event for all classes of people. The World Cup football is the greatest art show in the world. It is the most prestigious international tournament of football. The competition takes place once in every 4 years. FIFA World Cup 2022 was organized in Qatar from 20 November to 18 December. 32 teams of different nations participated in the tournament. Approximately over $220 billion were spent in organizing this tournament. There were 64 matches played in 8 venues across 5 cities. The final match was held between France and Argentina. Argentina was crowned champion and Captain Lionel Messi was voted the best player of the tournament. The 2022 World Cup was really a great source of entertainment and will be ever remembered.